I saw my video and I gave a shout out to TDC Gaming. He saw the video, he's super mad, and yeah, he doesn't like it at all. So if you guys will smash the thumbs up, and TDC Gaming will be here in a second. He just has to do something. He has a new car actually. The new car is a black car. That's his new car. And I do not have a new car, but I can show you while he's gone my motorcycle and my go-kart, guys. If you want me to do it, smash the like button and subscribe. And yeah, guys, I will show you my motorcycle stuff right now. Let's go. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do is my go-kart. I'll be right back, guys. So yeah, what you need? I know. I'm just showing them. Say hi. Hi. That was my Nana, guys. So yeah, first I said my go-kart, but first it's gonna be my motorcycle. I got a new tire, and I got this thing, and then if you can read the stuff. Motocross. And now guys, here's the front. 25 Motocross Extreme 25 Polo. And here is Extreme. And this is how you turn it on. That's how you turn it on. Wait. That's how you turn it on, guys. And now it is time for my awesome go-kart. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Well, I'm sorry about that, guys. But here is the front of my go-kart. I can't show you how to start it, guys, because I can't because of them two. And here's the inside of it. Key, steering wheel, emergency, and here's a horn. I'm not gonna press it, but and I'm just gonna get them out. And here's the headlights, and there's another headlights, and there's other headlights. And guys, here is the back of it, and it looks super cool. I love it. It was for my birthday, and this is the thing. Here's my back headlights, guys. And here's the flag on it. So guys, that's all I'm gonna show you, but I don't know where TDC Gaming is here. I don't know when he's gonna be here. And I might not upload this because nothing, guys. I love you guys, but I'm trying to hide something. It's just for today, guys, okay? Okay? Now, guys, we're going to sit here and wait for TDC Gaming. Yeah, guys, I do not like it. This is his house, guys. It's pretty cool. But in a year, he's going to be moving into a mansion just for like a couple weeks, and then he's going to find somewhere else to live. But I am going to his house right now. Blinds. Here's the inside of it. If you can even see, I'm going to do this. And guys, if you saw that, smash the like button, and I'm still waiting. Okay. guys. I'm sorry the lighting is like this, but it's just a very hot day today. And actually, in the next video, he'll be in here. So I'll name it. I know what I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna name it the motorcycle. I'm gonna name it Motorcycle and Go-Kart Showcase. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Subscribe, like. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.